Are you a Disney fan? Are you familiar with Disney movies? We are going to test your knowledge on Disney movies today by Guess the Disney Movie using emojis. So just like the last time when we did ice cream, we are going to read a short task card, short paragraph, and answer a question. And then we will come to this video to guess the Disney movies to see how you guys do. Okay, so let's start with. So we are going to start with inferencing. Remember, we use our text clues and our background knowledge, also known as schema, to come up with an educated guess or an inference. Okay? I'm going to give you only 2.5 minutes this time. Last time I gave you 3 minutes. That was a little long, so we're going to try and aim for 2.5 minutes. And again, we're only answering the multiple choice question. If you're at home, you're going to write your answers on a sheet of paper or a whiteboard and take a picture of it, upload it to this assignment. If you're at school, I'm going to hand you a whiteboard and a marker so you can write your answers there and we can hold them up. Okay? Ready? Go. All right, that is our time. So let's look at our question and answer choices. Based on information in the story, the reader can conclude that plants, A, are hard to take care of. This is giving us information about plants that are outside and living on its own, not plants that we have in the house. It could be talking about plants we have in the house because they need the same things, but it does not prove that they're hard to take care of. So A is not our answer. B, cannot survive without all of the essentials. So we have here that there are 5 essential plants. There are 5 essentials that plants need to grow. If it's essential, they need it, they can't live without it. B could be our answer. They can't survive without those things. C, can become sick very easily. No, we didn't get that information from this informational text. D, need most of the essentials to live. Our keyword here is most. If they're telling us that plants can't survive without these 5 essential things, they're not saying most of them, they're saying all of them. So B is our answer. Good job if you got B. Let's see which Disney movie you get to guess. The Lion King. Cinderella. Let's do one more. Beauty and the Beast. All right, so for the next one, we are going to be looking at main idea, which is what the text is mostly about. This one's pretty short, so I'm going to give you 1 minute and 30 seconds. Ready? Go. All right, that is our time. Okay, so our question is, what makes echidnas unique? Now, all of these answer choices are going to be a little tricky, so pay close attention. We're looking for what makes them unique. First we have, they are one of the only egg-laying mammals. We have the text evidence for that right here. Echidnas and platypus are the only egg-laying mammals. If there's only 2 animals out of the entire world that are mammals that lay eggs, that makes them pretty unique, right? So A could be our answer. Let's look at our other answer choices. B, they can live a long time. We have text evidence to support that they live a long time. It tells right here they have a long lifespan. In fact, they can live up to 50 years. But are they the only mammals that live up to 50 years? Is that unique? No, people can live up to more than 50 years. So that doesn't really make them unique. They are anteaters. Here we have echidnas are known as spiny anteaters. It is not saying that they are anteaters. It's saying that people are comparing them to an anteater, but with spines, like the pokey things. So C is not our answer. D, they like to live alone. Here we have text evidence for that. They are usually solitary animals. Solitary means they like to be by themselves. But does that make them unique? No, I like to be alone sometimes, don't you? Doesn't really make us unique. So our answer here is A. So if you got A, great job. Let's look at our Disney movie. Sleeping Beauty. This one's my absolute favorite movie. Mulan. All right, next we are going to go over summarizing. We're telling what happened in the beginning, what happened in the middle, and what happened in the end. This one's longer, so I'm going to give you 4 minutes to complete this passage. And since I am running out of time on this video, we're just going to pick up on the next video on the next slide.